Hello everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today we are going to be picking the winner for not July, we're in August, Linda. For August's yarn giveaway. And if you remember, it is the Magenta Stylecraft DK, which is, Aran, sorry, it's a 4-weight. And it's 100% acrylic, and this colour is called Magenta, and you get notions as well. So you get a tape measure, stitch markers, tapestry needles, what else have we got? A crochet hook. So yeah, so that is what the prize is. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop across to the computer and we're going to pick a winner. The winner will have 7 days to contact me. If they've not contacted me within 7 days, then I will draw a new winner. So let's go across to the computer, shall we? Okay, so this is the video for the yarn giveaway, and I'm just going to copy. And then we're going to go across to the random picker, and we're going to put the paste the number in, add comment replies, filter for duplicate users, and then we're going to answer the question, which is, and then we're going to get YouTube comments. 94 people. Is that the right one? Yeah. 94 people have commented. So we're going to go across now and pick the winner. Good luck everybody. Sally Stevens. Woohoo, Sally! This is so pretty. Magenta is a wonderful colour. A lucky winner can put that yarn to good use. Take good care. So, Sally Stevens, congratulations. Woohoo! Congratulations, Sally Stevens. That was amazing. So I hope you're excited, and thank you for your comment. Thank you for everybody who took part. Sally, I need you to email me at this address with your postal address, and I will get your prize out to you. As I said before, you have 7 days. The winner has 7 days to contact me. If I've not heard from them within those 7 days, then I will do a redraw. So thank you everybody. Thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers. September is my birthday month, and I've got two special giveaways. I've got the yarn giveaway, and I've also got a sock yarn giveaway, but they're going to be special. So, well, I think they're special anyway. So, I hope you all take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye.